It's Dave from Iron Blackbird Cycles, and we are at the Red Onion in Equality, Illinois. And this is going to be the lunch stop on September 27th for the Cannonball. And I'll take you guys through the walkthrough. A good place to stop and ride. They got a pretty good, nice dining room here. And me and Scotty just had some steaks, had some ribeyes, and they are good. So make sure to, even if you're not on the Cannonball with us, stop in the Red Onion and get something to eat, because it's good eating here. Well, let's see if we can catch up with the girl that runs the place. I'll let you deliver the bread there. So you want to say something about the restaurant for us?
Alright, welcome to the Red Onion. We are open Wednesday and Sunday, 11 to 3. Thursday, Friday, and Saturday from 11 to 9. Come in and try some of our dessert or our daily specials or our prime rib on Friday and Saturday after 4. Thanks. Hope to see you soon.
Thanks. And like I said, this is going to be the lunch stop for the Cannonball on September 27th. So even if you're not on the Cannonball, come in, say hi, and grab something to eat. It's a great place to eat. And we'll see everybody on September 27th.